Hello viewers, welcome to Let's Cook Like Experts. In this episode, we are going to make spring roll sheets or samosa patties. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour or maida flour, half cup corn flour, required salt to taste. Mix them all together in a bowl. Knead it by adding water little by little. Now the dough is ready. It is just like how we prepare dough for chapatis. Apply some oil on its top to prevent from getting dried up and cover it with a lid and let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Now take a small portion of dough and make a ball, and let's flatten it using a roller. Dust it occasionally with flour. I always use rice flour for dusting purposes. You can use any flour. Our first roti is ready. Keep it aside and let's make 2 more such rotis. Our second roti is also ready now. This is the third roti. Apply some oil on the top using a brush. Sprinkle some flour over the oil and place the second roti on its top. Now apply some oil on the second roti, sprinkle some flour on the second roti and place the third roti on its top. Now the 3 roti stack is ready. Dust the 3 roti stack with flour on both the sides. Flatten as thin as possible. Heat a flat tawa. Here I have taken a slightly curved one, but it is better to take a completely flat tawa. Toast the roti stack by keeping the flame medium. It takes 30 seconds to 1 minute to toast. Now flip it to the other side and do the same. Make sure the roti stack is slightly toasted and we should not get any brown spots on it. It's done. So let's transfer it to a plate and let's start separating it one by one slowly. This is the first roti from the stack. See, this is clearly transparent and we can see the designs on the plate. Now let's separate the second and first rotis slowly from the edges towards the center. Now our spring roll sheets or samosa patties are ready. We can make 3 spring rolls out of these 3 spring roll sheets, and we can make 9 samosas out of these 3 sheets by cutting each sheet into 3 samosa patty strips. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Let's Cook Like Experts. I'll catch you next week with another interesting recipe. Thank you.